probably gonna keep them on. Two years. But he's trying to keep all that bait. Oh, we got one. Oh, we got one.
That other pole's going too.
Oh, we just threw the bait out, y'all. River blood, baby.
He's on there, bro. Get him.
Tighten these drags. You got these drags loose for some big boys. Oh, he's on there. Ooh, no, he's bigger.
Bro, I gotta get this fish out of this net real quick. Now we got one pole in the water.
Jamie put both of these poles out, look, in the bait spot. My dad, like I said, what I just said, I said my dad would say we're crazy if we don't fish where all the bait's at. He put 2 poles out. It's been 5 seconds. We can't even start the motor. Oh, my son, look, he would shit, bro. Bass fisher, he would never catch. But still, that fast back to back.
Yeah, there's plenty down there in this spot.
He's not pulling too hard.
No.
Oh. That little current with him. What you do if a fucking 60 just come cruising up and swimming our way?
Bro, they're here. Just unfortunately, we can't move.
Here we go. Back to back, y'all, literally. Jamie just put both of these poles out.
There you go, Mike.
Got 2, y'all. We getting there.
Yes.
That 80 will be here tonight.
Yeah.
Good shit.
Where's that down from us?
No, that's down from us. Look at all that rain, y'all. No, look. See, look. It's coming this way. We're just hoping, you guys. Our motor won't start, but our dock is right there. And all the bait is right here. So we're cool. We're like, fuck it. Let's fish where the bait's at. I just caught 2 on 2 of Jamie's poles. But he just had a good tap. Look, there was a big slap right there. But here's the thing. We're just trying to outfight the rain. But we do both have ponchos. So the only dilemma with the ponchos is me and Jamie are fishers. We'll sit here and fish all fucking day and night. I'll sit right here in the rain soaking wet. But our cameras and all our shit's getting wet, so we can't show you guys anything. That's the only issue. That's the only issue. He's hit. Oh, he had a good little jab.
It's something small.
It'll go here in a minute. Hey, how much you love that spot lock on that damn trolling motor? That's nice, bro. Yeah, 1300. Yeah. It's worth it though. Poncho on real quick. Oh, he's on there, guys.
He just pulled me up under that
fish
log
on.
over there.
Oh.
I got him out, though. He's free.
That's why you thought he wasn't on. Can we get the net? Oh, fuck.
Yeah, it's nice getting a tug on the line. It's been a while.
Yeah, I know. It felt good. Them first 2, bro, back to back like that, I was like, it got me going. I didn't care how big they were. How's that? How's he feeling? Ooh, another one. Another one. Here, let me set the tripod right here. 1 second. Get Jamie this net. Oh, there you go. He's not bad. About 10, 12, 8, something like that. Here's the thing. We've caught 3 fish in about 15 minutes, so I'm cool with it. If we're catching little ones, guess what? There's big boys down there, too. Big boys down there too, sweetheart.
Rod, we got one. He's under something.
Still trying to hook up. Either he's under something or he's huge.
No, he's under something.
Pedal this trolling motor back. He might be.
It's all trees right there. He buried it up.
Look, we're both literally setting poles up.
He's still going. He's just under.
Oh, he's got your line under. Oh. Can you troll backwards?
I can, but I got poles out everywhere to be a mess. I'm just gonna have to let him do something about that.
He might come out. Fish on. My damn garbage bag blowing in the wind.
Every time I cast out here, they get under something. It feels like I got a monster on, but
Shit, I think you do. I think you might have a 15-20 on there. Oh, he got some weight. No, he wouldn't have. Oh no, he wouldn't have reeled that far, bro. If he was hung up. Yeah, it's choppy out here, y'all, but we don't care. It's been a while. We both been needing this.
yeah.
Oh! Oh! Oh my God! 20.
Much tension on him.
20 at least. 15, 20.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look, my phone's soaked. I told you he wasn't standing up, boy. Look, we're getting in there. Bro, it can rain all at once. We're getting bigger and better. Oh my Lord. Let me make sure my YouTube. Yeah.
That's a good, healthy fish.
That's a healthy fish, dog. I would love to put fish like that in my pond if I still had my farm.
Look at that.
That's a healthy fish, y'all. He about 15, 20.
Yeah.
I give him 17.
He's blind in that eye.
Oh, sure is. I give him 17, bro.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
17, 20.
Let me get a.
Nice.
It's a small one.
But you get what I'm saying, though? People didn't know that. Oh, he's on there. Yeah,
He popped
he got off.
It was a hybrid. He's on it.
He's going down. You want me to get him?
Yeah.
Let me take his bag off.
He's on it.
He's going down. You want me to get him?
Yeah.
Let me take his bag. Think he's on there?
I think he might just reel down. If he's not, he'll come back. We'll cast back out to
Oh,
him.
he's on there. Oh. Oh.
You can get him out. There you go.
Let's see how he feels. Fighting drag. Oh, no, he ain't huge. He's dinking.
I'm telling you, I feel like they're wrapped up on the bottom right there. There's a log or something where I'm casting.
No, we're right where we need to be.
Look at this cameraman, Jamie today.
He got some weight. Oh, no, he's got some weight. Oh. No, he's got some weight, Jamie.
I'm gonna try to net him.
Oh, no, he got some weight. You got them both going?
Yeah.
He got some weight, bro. Oh, let me loosen this. Oh.
I bet it's a solid fish.
No, he's solid. No, he's solid. Look. He's running that drag. Where he go?
He's still there. He's swimming to you.
No, he's pulling. Oh, he got some weight, bro.
It's windy. It's raining. I need to get this wind muff on these cameras. Oh, I thought he popped off. Are you gonna be able to net him, or you need me to net him?
He might be small, bro. He's strong. Might be a flathead, small flathead. Nah, he's under the boat. He's strong, bro.
I need to keep an eye on these other poles too.
Nah, he's wearing down, dog.
Look, Mike's got a pole not in the rod holder up there, just chilling. You can turn around, that thing's gonna be gone.
I don't want to lose this fish, bro. I don't get
Oh my gosh, I need to get
This is a fish.
dry.
Oh, this is a